to my channel. I'm excited today to talk about planners. Got recent feedback from a subscriber requesting to know where the items that I'm working with came from and approximate cost for the project. And the items, majority of them came from the Dollar Tree. Most of them are all going to be under $1.25, and the total cost to make my planner will be under $10. The basic supplies needed to create my planner are a planner cover set, months, and the notes and ideas. And what I'm going to do with this is customize it. But one of the things that I didn't see were dividers between, like, let's say the notes and the months. So I came up with the idea to create my own section dividers. Lots of things can be turned into dividers, and I'm going to be using the scrapbooking paper. This is the only item that did not come from the Dollar Tree. I got it at clearance for $3 at Michael's recently. So have fun customizing your planner with items from the Dollar Tree or what you've got left over in your stash.